Good morning, fellow viewers. One of my viewers, Vicky Lane, asked if I could do a shot of the spot that I enjoy coming up to here at the top of Berkeley Hills and have my morning cup of coffee. I brought it up in my 360-degree video. So I thought, you know what? The rain stopped this morning and I need to get my morning cup of coffee before I head out in the mobile studio and get to work. So that's where we're headed right now. We're actually on Grizzly Peaks Boulevard, which is the road that runs along the top of Berkeley Hills. It's mainly residential. If you can look out the windows sometime this day, you can see these homes have great views of Silicon Valley and the valley below. But we're heading right now to that little spot, and then I'll show you. Hopefully no one's there. Probably not. It's really early in the morning. But I'll show you where I like to get my morning cup of coffee on occasions. It's just a few minutes from my house, so it works out really well. Oh, it's getting pretty as we come up here through the eucalyptus trees. Hopefully the sun's going to break through for us. It was raining this morning, and we need the rain here in California. But it's clearing up now, and I see the sunshine breaking through. Oh dear, someone had a bad accident there. That doesn't look good. Not good at all. Maybe someone skidded on the slick roads here. I hope no one was hurt. Good example of driving through curvy mountain roads. No rattles, no squeaks. Take a look out the passenger side and look at the view. Very pretty. Now this camera should also be a little bit better at contrasts and things like that as well. So hopefully we'll see. I love this little four-cylinder Sprinter because it just so peppy as we're going up through the mountains here. All right, we're coming up to our little pull-out point here. Look at that view down below. You can see out the passenger side. Some morning mist and fog still hanging around. So we're heading east. So I'm going to pull over here.